Well, for me, I mean, I was basically almost starting from pretty much ground zero. I mean, like I had that string methods course in college like 20 years ago, and we didn't get that far in that class, honestly, compared to what we did here. And I think if I got thrown into the situation of having to teach strings without a lot of notice, at least now I'd feel prepared.
I've just gotten a lot of really good ideas for activities to do with my class. And it's really made me think about my pacing a lot more, that I probably do too much in a lesson and I should take more time to practice skills and give the kids more time.
And you've been like very, very meticulous in the way that you deliver things. So it's like very clear for me to understand it. So whatever I'm doing, I'm practicing that on the violin and viola as well.
I can't really appreciate again the string crossings and the other parts that actually make it difficult to play on instruments. So I feel like that for me has definitely gone up a whole bunch. Just to be able to look at something and okay, like this is going to definitely take a little bit of extra rehearsal and figuring out, and definitely better understanding that way.
I have a lot more, like, my comfort level with the strings is just really up a lot. I never thought I'd be so excited to get back to my strings class.